Hello dear students, today in this multiplication chapter we are going to learn multiplication of 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Multiply 364 by 123. Let us arrange these numbers in vertically. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place, right? We have to multiply 364 by this 3 ones. 3 fours are 12, 2 should be written in ones place, then 1 carried over. 3 six are 18, 18 plus 1 19. 1 carry over. 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1 that is 10. Multiply 364 by this 2. 2 is in tens place. In 10 we have 1 0. That's why we have to put 1 0 below this 2. Now multiply 364 by this 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 should be written here, then 1 carry over. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now we have to multiply 364 by this 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros, so we have to put 2 zeros below this 0 and below this 8. 1 4s are 4, 1 6 are 6 and 1 3s are 3. Now we have to add all these 3 products, then we get the sum of the products. 9 plus 8, how much? 17. 17 plus 0, 17. 7 should be written here, then 1 carry over. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 should be written here, then 1 carried over. 3 plus 1, how much? 4. Finally we get 44,772 as a product. Like this we can multiply 3-digit numbers by 3-digit number. Multiply 213 by 370. Let us arrange these numbers in vertically. This is ones place, tens place, and this is hundreds place. First we have to multiply 213 by this 0 ones. Okay, 0 into 3, that is 0 only. 0 into 1, 0. 0 2s are 0. Now we have to multiply 213 by this 7. Students, 7 is in tens place, right? In 10 we have 1 0, so we have to put 1 0 below this 0. Then multiply 213 by this 7. 7 3s are 21, 1 should be written, then 2 carry over. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2 9. 7 2s are 14. Then we have to multiply 213 by this 300. In 300 we have 2 zeros, that's why we have to put 2 zeros here. Now multiply 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are that is 6. We have to multiply these 3 products. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 9, that is 18. 8 should be written here, then 1 carried over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 6, 7. We get 78,810 as a product. 144 schools all over India participated in the National Judo competition. If each school sent 263 children, how many children all over India participated in the judo competition? ಈ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಜೂಡೋ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ 144 ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಿಂದ 263 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 144. Number of children from each school, that is 263. Now we have to multiply these two. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. We have to multiply 144 by this 3 ones. 3 fours are 12, 1 carry over, 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 then 1 carry over, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 that is 4. Then we have to multiply 144 by this 60. In 60 there is 1 0, that's why we have to put 1 0 below this 2. 6 fours are 24, 4 should be written, then 2 carry over, again 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 2 26, 6 should be written, then 2 carry over, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 2 that is 8. Now we have to multiply 144 by this 200. In 200 there are 2 zeros, that's why we have to put 2 zeros here. 2 fours are 8, then 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. Now we have to add all these three products. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8 should be written here. Then 1 carried over. 1 plus 8, that is 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 should be written here, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 2 that is 3. We get 37,872. Totally there are 37,872 children participated in the National Judo competition. Let us see how to multiply a number by 10 and its multiples. Okay, here I will consider 15 tenza. Students, first we have to multiply 15 into 1. Any number multiplied by 1, that gives number itself, right? So 15 ones are, that is 15, and write 0 on the right side of this 15. We get 150. That is 15 tens are 150. Then 241 into 10, how much? First we have to multiply this number by this 1. 241 ones are, that is 241, and write 10 on the right side of this number. We get 2410. Like this we can multiply by 10. Then 15 into 100. So 15 ones are 15, and write 2 zeros on the right side of this number. Another example, for example 345 into 100. First we have to multiply this number by this 1. 345 ones are, that is 345, and write number of zeros, that is 2 zeros on the right side of this number. So we get 34,500. And again here I will consider 15 into 1000. How much? 15 ones are 15, and here there are 3 zeros. So write number of zeros on the right side of this 15. Here there are 3 zeros, so I will write 3 zeros on the right side of this 15. So we get 15,000. 15 into 1000, that is equal to 15,000. I will consider another example, that is 247 into 1000. How much? 247 ones are how much? 247. So write number of zeros on the right side of this 247. Here there are 3 zeros. So write 3 zeros on the right side of this 247. When we multiply 247 by this 1000, we get 2,47,000. Like this, we can multiply a number by 10, 100 and by 1000. Multiply 37 by this 20. How to multiply this 37 by this 20? Let us see. 37 into 2 into 10. Right. So multiply 37 by this 2. That is 37 into 2, then into 10. 2 sevens are 14. 4 then 1 carry over. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 37 twos are we get 74, and this 74 should be multiplied by this 10. That is 74 ones are 74, and write number of zeros on the right side of this 74, that is 740. Let us see another example, that is 21 to 40. So 21 into 40 should be written as 4 into 10. Right? 10 fours are 40 only. Now multiply 21 fours are 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are, that is 8, and now multiply this 84 by 10. 84 ones are 84, and write number of zeros on the right side of this 84, that is 840. Like this, we can multiply a numbers by 20, 40, 60 up to 90. Okay. Multiply this 74 by this 200. So 74 into 200 can be written as 2 into 100. Now multiply 74 by this 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 sevens are how much? 14 into 100. So 148 ones are 148, and write number of zeros on the right side of this 148. Here there are 2 zeros, so I will write 2 zeros. We get 14,800 as a product after multiplying 74 by this 200. Let us see another example. 48 into 400. 400 can be written as 4 into 100. 48 into 4 into 100. 4 8s are, that is 32. 2 should be written, then 3 carry over. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. And write number of required zero on the right side of this 148. 92. We get 19,200 after multiplying 48 by this 400. Like this we can multiply a number by 200, 300, 400 up to 900. Okay, have you understand students? This is all about today's class. I hope you all are clear about how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 3-digit number and how to multiply a number by 10 and its multiples. Thank you.